Hello and welcome back to Coffee Morning with Krystal and Sunny Delight the Canary. And today we are going to show you how to make a Nescafé Dolce Gusto Americano Bold Morning, which is an extra large, extra strong, extra big coffee for whenever you have a busy day ahead of you and it's all go, go, go. So first, you start with turning your coffee machine on, and it only takes a second for the machine to come on. Now, lift your pod. Now, this is an extra large pod, which takes more water. So, to insert the pod into your device, first start by lifting the lid. And out pops the drawer like so. Isn't that right, Sonny? Woo! Right. So you put your pod into the drawer as so and insert the drawer back into the machine. Now, the extra large Americano bold coffee morning, you have to run it twice because it's an extra large coffee. So insert the pod into the machine, close the lid, and then follow the instructions on the box. What you do is you put the level up to level 7 and then go. Isn't that right, Sunny? Here we go. This is a really, really large coffee. So you need a mug which will hold about 330 to 350 milliliters. So we've done the first part. We've put the pod in. We have ran it at level 7. And now for the extra large coffee, you run it again at level 2. 1, 2. And go. We're getting there, Sonny. So is Christmas. But the coffee's worth it. Here we go. Tally-ho. There we go. And you just give it a wee minute. There we go. And that's how you do it. One Nescafé Dolce Gusto Americano Bold Morning. That is lovely, and it smells like a really strong, good coffee to set you up on one of those busy mornings. Tune in again for more coffee mornings with Krystal and Sunny Delight the Canary. Bye!